Hey guys, today I will show you how I install a knotless braid on this beautiful client. As you can see, I have done some already. I am parting her hair on this side. As you can see, she does have a moving scalp, so that little part over there got smaller. But you know, they'll all be about the same size and it'll be really nice looking. So I'm just prepping the hair. I will be splitting the hair into 3 different pieces, and I take the third piece and put it on top of my finger. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding in the hair, and I always add it beneath the second and third strand. Here I am adding in the strand beneath sections 2 and 3, and I get that nice and secure, and I do 1 crossover, 2 crossovers, 3 crossovers, and finally 1 more crossover. And so I have that base nice and secure, and then I can add another strand beneath the middle section in the third section, aka section 2 and section 3. And I'm going to do 4 more crossovers. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. As I'm braiding down, I try to keep the braid nice and tight just so that it's not sloppy and that it is staying nice and neat. So here I am adding in another strand beneath the second and third sections, which are the middle section and the section to my far right. So I'm doing 1, 2, 3, and 4 crossovers. And by this time, I start to adjust my fingers and adjust my grip to begin to underbraid. At this point, you can add more hair. I like to maintain the 4 crossovers when I'm adding hair, just so that the braid is at the same width from the root to the tip. If you start adding in hair, let's say after 2 crossovers, your braid will become thicker faster. That method really works well when you have someone with very short, thick hair, so you want to thicken the braid up quicker by adding hair more frequently at the base. For the style I'm doing today, I like that the braid is more slim, it's not chunky, and that's just the look I was going for with these braids. So yeah, you're going to continue to braid all the way to the tip from this point. Now let's see that again. So I've moved on to another section, and I'm adding in some of my braid gel. I detangled a little bit. I'm getting her ready for the installation of the braid. I've split it into 3 sections, and I do 1 crossover, 2 crossover, 3 crossover, 4. Add in another piece of hair beneath the middle and right section, and I do 1, 2, 3, 4 crossovers. And I'm adding in another strand between the middle and right sections, and I'm doing 4 more crossovers, adjusting my hands when I get towards the end of that. And I just continue braiding down, making sure that I am paying extra special attention to tucking her natural hair beneath the actual braid. I really like just adding in 3 strands, especially with my clients that have hair that is on a more lengthy side, because I'm able to really grip the braid, not the scalp, but the actual braid. And I'm able to make the actual braid tighter so that the style lasts longer. You don't want to braid too tight at the base, but you do want that braid to be nice and firm. So we are done. As you can see, we just put some cornrows in the front, and yeah, it looks amazing. As you can see, I do not want to pull her edges, so I chose not to braid it, and it was fine. She is a beautiful woman over 50. She does not participate in the baby hair game that other people play, and that is fine. So I just make sure that I just kind of clean it up on the edges and make it easy for her to take care of it at home. So yeah, thank you all for watching my video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thank you.